Hey everyone! So, are you having trouble logging into Xero? Maybe your credentials aren't working, or you're stuck on the login page. Yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially if you need to manage invoices or accounts quickly. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Xero login problems in 2026, and most of these solutions only take a few minutes. First, double-check your email and password. Make sure you're typing them correctly, including capitalization, and verify you're using the email linked to your Xero account. If you forgot your password or it isn't working, click Forgot Password on the login page, follow the steps to reset it, and try logging in again. Sometimes old browser data can prevent login. Clear your cache and cookies, then refresh the page and try again. Try logging in using another browser or incognito/private mode. This helps check if browser extensions or settings are blocking Xero. Sometimes login issues happen because of server problems. Visit Xero's status page to see if there are ongoing outages. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. Xero may block certain connections, preventing login. If none of the above works, contact Xero support. They can help troubleshoot account-specific issues, and that's it. Most Xero login problems can be fixed by checking your credentials, resetting your password, or trying a different browser. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.